In the realm of engineering, a world of innovation awaits. From renewable energy to biomedical engineering, these seminar topics spark curiosity and fuel passion. Explore artificial intelligence, blockchain, and nanotechnology. Uncover the mysteries of space exploration and next-generation transportation. Dive into the depths of cybersecurity and robotics. These cutting-edge topics not only educate but inspire. Discover the future with advancements in engineering. Share the excitement, spread the knowledge, and ignite a spark of curiosity. Engineering students, enthusiasts, and experts alike come together to explore the endless possibilities that shape our world. Embrace the future of technology and engineering. Here are 11 technical seminar topics suitable for engineering students. Advancements in renewable energy technologies, challenges and opportunities. Internet of Things, IoT, applications in smart cities. Artificial intelligence and machine learning in engineering, real-world applications. Blockchain technology, revolutionizing industries. Next-generation transportation systems, Hyperloop, electric vehicles and autonomous vehicles. Nanotechnology and engineering, miniaturization and beyond. Advanced materials for sustainable infrastructure development. Robotics and automation, enhancing industrial productivity. Biomedical engineering innovations, prosthetics, bioimplants, and rehabilitation technologies. Cybersecurity challenges in the digital age, protecting critical infrastructure. Space exploration technologies, colonizing Mars and beyond. These topics cover a range of cutting-edge areas in engineering and technology, offering students a glimpse into the future of their field and opportunities for exploration and research.